Welcome. In this video, you will learn more about using convertible car seats in the rear-facing mode. You can use convertible car seats in both rear-facing and forward-facing directions. Keeping your child rear-facing as long as possible within the seat height and weight limits is the safest choice. We are going to cover the topics of direction, location, installation, and harnessing. If you would like to learn more about choosing the right car seat for your child's size, please watch the selection video to make sure you are using the right car seat. This is a rear-facing convertible car seat. This type of car seat can be used for most infants starting at 5 pounds and for children who have gotten too big for an infant carrier seat. Convertible car seats have two different weight and height limits for each mode. One for rear-facing, one for forward-facing. 3-in-1 and 4-in-1 seats also have weight and height limits for a booster seat mode. There are two places where you can find the height and weight limits on your child's car seat. The manual will be your best guide to the specifics about your child's car seat. For example, this seat can be used for children 4 pounds to 50 pounds rear-facing. Because some kids are taller in the trunk or taller in the legs, you should also check that there is at least 1 inch from the top of your child's head to the top of the shell of the car seat. Lots of parents worry about their child's legs touching the back of the vehicle seat, and that's okay. We don't use legs to know if a child has outgrown the car seat. It is safer for a child's feet to touch the vehicle seat in the crash than to have them forward-facing and having the crash forces go into their head and neck. Always refer to your car seat manual for specifics about your seat. If you have lost the manual, you can check for an online version or request a new one from the manufacturer. The make and model information of your car seat is typically on a sticker located on the side or bottom of the car seat. Staying rear-facing for as long as possible is the safest way to travel. This direction is safest for your baby because the shell of the car seat absorbs the force of the crash and protects your baby's head and neck. You have some choices about where to install your child's rear-facing car seat. If it is available, the center position is a great choice. This position is further away from the sides of the car if you're in a crash, but you may find it easier or more practical to use one of the side positions. A side position may also be your only option if you have more than one child in a car seat. Your vehicle's owner manual will have information on the different locations in the car where you can install the car seat using latch, which stands for lower anchors and tethers for children. As a general rule, the rear-facing seat should never touch the vehicle seat in front of it. There should be at least a finger width of space between the shell of the seat and the back of the vehicle seat. It is important to know that it is never safe to install a car seat in the front passenger seat with an active airbag. The airbag can cause serious injury or death to a child in a crash. Always place a rear-facing car seat in the second or third row of the car. If you have a pickup truck and have any questions about installing a car seat in your vehicle, please contact a child passenger safety technician like me for help. Once you've decided where to put your rear-facing car seat, there are two ways to install it. Remember to always refer to your car seat manual and your vehicle owner's manual for the specifics about your car seat and how to install it in your car. Now that you've decided where to put your car seat, we will go over the ways to install it. Again, as stated, always refer to your car seat manual for specifics about your car seat and your vehicle owner's manual for more details about car seat installation. There are two different ways to install the rear-facing convertible car seat, using the seatbelt or using the lower anchors. In this section, we are going to go over how to properly install your car seat using the seatbelt. Remember to always refer to your car seat manual and your vehicle owner's manual for specifics about your car seat and its installation. The first thing you want to do is find the stickers that show you where the rear-facing belt path is. Once you locate the rear-facing belt path, make sure you place it closest to the vehicle seat back. Next, you will take both portions of the seatbelt and route it through the belt path and buckle it in. You want to make sure that the seatbelt is smooth and flat, that there aren't any folds or twists. If there are folds or twists, unbuckle the seatbelt and try to reroute it. The next step is locking the seatbelt. It is an important one. To do so, slowly pull out the shoulder belt until you no longer can. Be sure not to jerk the seatbelt. Then, slowly feed the belt back into the retractor. As you do so, you should hear a soft clicking sound, and you shouldn't be able to pull the seatbelt back out. If you do not hear a clicking sound or you can pull the seatbelt back out, you have not locked the seatbelt. Try again to pull the seatbelt all the way out from the retractor. Once you have locked the seatbelt, position yourself in a way that will allow you to push down on the base while you pull the shoulder strap of the belt. This action will tighten the lap portion of the belt. As you can see me demonstrate, I place my knee against the front of the base to push in and use one of my hands to push down while pulling the belt to tighten. Make sure you get any extra slack out of the lap belt. Once you feel that the belt is tight enough, place your hand at the belt path and move the base in a side-to-side motion. The base should move no more than 1 inch side to side at the belt path. The front of the base will move from side to side, and we want it to, so if there is a crash, it will absorb the force of the crash. When installing the base, you want to make sure that it is level. Be sure you are parked on level ground when checking this step. Next, identify the level indicator. The indicator may look different on different seats. Refer to your car seat manual for guidance. In this section, we are going to go over how to properly install the car seat using lower anchors. The first thing you want to do with the car seat is find the stickers that show you where the belt path is. You also want to locate the lower anchors on your vehicle seat, which can be found by looking for this symbol or looking in your vehicle owner's manual. Once you have located the belt path, make sure to place it as close as possible to the car seat's back. Next, you will take the lower anchor strap and route it through the belt path and clip each side on to a lower anchor hook. The lower anchor must be smooth and flat. If there are any twists or folds in the strap, you will need to unhook one end, smooth out the fold or twist, and then re-secure it to the anchor hook. Once you have the anchor straps connected, position yourself so that you can push down on the car seat while you pull to tighten the lower anchor strap. As you can see in the video, I place my knee against the front of the car seat to push in and use my hand to push down while pulling the belt to tighten. Once you feel that the belt is tight enough, place your hand at the belt path and move the car seat side to side. The car seat should move no more than 1 inch side to side at the belt path. The front of the car seat will move side to side, and we want it to, so that if there is a crash, it will move with the force of the crash. There are 2 main ways to adjust where the harness straps come out of the back of the seat: by rethreading the straps or sliding the back of the seat up or down. When your child is rear facing, the straps need to be at a spot at or below the top of your child's shoulders. Place your child in the car seat to check which slot is the correct height for your child. You can place a sticky note in the correct slot so that you can find it again once you remove the child from the seat. Turn the seat around to unhook one side of the harness straps from the clip on the back of the seat. Pull from the front of the seat until the strap comes out all of the way, and then rethread the strap through the slot where your marker was placed. Remember, this needs to be at or below the top of your child's shoulders when they're rear facing. Feed the strap through the slot until you can reach it on the back of the seat. Pull the strap through and hook it back onto the clip. Repeat for the other side and make sure both straps are through slots at the same level when finished. Click the release to adjust and move the harness to the desired height. Remember, this is at or below the top of your child's shoulders for rear facing. This is the crotch buckle. It should be threaded through the slot closest to your child's bottom. Some car seats only have one crotch buckle position. Refer to your car seat manual to learn more. If the crotch buckle is causing irritation, make sure your child's clothing is positioned between the buckle and the child. Here are the steps to follow if you need to move the crotch buckle to better fit your child. If your seat is adjustable, there are usually 2 or 3 slots to choose from. First, take note which slot is going to give the best fit when your child is in the car seat. Second, flip the car seat over and locate the crotch buckle and the metal clip it is connected to. Third, turn the metal plate so it can be pushed through the slot to release the crotch buckle. Then, move the buckle to the desired slot and push the metal plate through with one hand while your other hand feels for it come through the other side. Once it is through, make sure the webbing is not twisted and lay the metal plate flat so it is securely in place. It will be time to switch the convertible position to forward facing when your child has reached the upper weight limits or height limits of the car seat, or when their head has gotten too close to the top of the shell. We will talk about forward facing seats in the next video. If you have any questions or concerns about your car seat or how to install your specific car seat, please contact a child passenger safety technician here at Lurie Children's by calling 312-227-4711 or our outpatient buckle up program by calling 312-227-7081 for more help. Thanks for learning with me today.